Hey everybody, welcome to Shauno TV, Fix It Toy Repair. Today we're going to fix Masters of the Universe legs. And what these guys do is, if you buy a used one of these, sometimes they'll fix with these by putting an eyelet screw in there with a O-ring through this and into the other one with another eyelet. I'll show you today how to really repair these. First things first, you want to get your sink really hot. A small sink will work, and you throw the legs. You take the eyelets out that have broke the O-ring. You take the eyelets out with a screwdriver or pliers. But you want to get these hot. I only need two tools to do this. That's a small screwdriver and this magical tool, a curved forceps. Let these legs soak in the hot water for about 10 minutes. You want them to expand, because what we're going to do is we're going to clean out that joint right there. Why we want them to soak in the hot water is because we want to get all this black gunk out of here. That's the old, I don't know what it is, a connector, a rubber connector. But we want to get all that old stuff out of there. And by expanding this rubber with hot water, it gets really easy to get all that gunk out of there and to put the new one in. As you can see, I got all that old stuff out of there. It's brittle, it's bad, it's gunky. And the new one will need all that area in there. So make sure you get all that old stuff out. This right here is what a new leg grommet looks like. You can buy these online. They're kind of costly for about 20 of them, but if you fix 20 of these figures, you can probably get your money's worth back. Now I'm going to show you. You're probably asking, like, how are you going to get this into those legs and through that guy and into another leg? I'm going to show you with this magical forceps tool. You want to start with the right leg. So once you get that gunk all out, you want to make sure you get your legs right that go back in, because you do not want the left leg on the right side, vice versa. It looks stupid and you'll feel stupid. So get your legs right before you start. Starting with that right leg, we're going to, again, get it hot, again with lots of hot water, because I'm going to show you what we're going to do. And you want it curved apart, kind of like that, holding it like that, and on a couple clicks. Now that I got that leg joint really hot, it's expanded, and I'm going to force that grommet into that joint. If you did it correctly, you'll hear like a little pop. And then you can unrelease this and then release it. Sometimes you have to do some fidgeting with the screwdriver and push that grommet all the way in there, but make sure it's all the way in. Alright, our leg joint grommet is in. And you can run cold water over this and really seal the deal, and it won't fall out then. Alright, now this is one of the harder, challenging parts of this. We're not going to go through that big hole. No, that's too easy. We're going to go through another cavity hole that's on this top area up here. And we're going to push the grommet through with the little screwdriver. The area I'm talking about is, see where the screwdriver is coming through here? We're going to get that mushroom head of that grommet slid over that bar. I pushed it through with the little screwdriver, and now we're going to grab it, the stem of the back end of that kind of mushroom top, and we're going to grab it with the scissors forceps. Okay, so now I grab that part behind the stem. Get your left leg really, really hot. We want to open up that joint. Now on the scale of hard parts, this is a scale of 8 to 10. Trying to get that clipped onto there. And now we're going to open up that joint and we're going to pop it in like we did with the other one. But you're going to have to kind of push the figure a little bit out. And you kind of have to really pull on this. Don't worry, if it breaks, you have to just do it again. It happens, but just don't pull it out too hard and you'll push it in. Now that it pushed the grommet in there, you'll hear it pop again, but just make sure it's really in there using the small screwdriver. And there you go. You'll see that they'll fall back into place right into the sockets. And that's how I fix these, using hot water and these two tools. That's it. Thanks for watching. Come back again on Shauno TV.